Good day. Here is the part 1 list of commonly used adjectives. In order to have a good practice, kindly record while reading the adjective loud and clear. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. By the way, adjective is a word that describes a noun.
Hi,
Video,
my name is
we
Elijah
are
James
going to
S.
listen
Somat, grade
to
4.
Elijah,
Adjective
grade
is a
4,
word that
how
describes
he
a
pronounced
noun. Hi,
the
my
list
name is Elijah
of
James S.
commonly
Somat,
used
grade 4.
adjectives.
Adjective is a
Take it
word
away,
that
Elijah.
describes a noun. Hi, my name is Elijah James S. Somat, grade 4. Hi, my name is Elijah James S. Somat, grade 4. Adjective is a word that describes a noun. Good, courageous, adventurous, cooperative, alert, aggressive, first, last, long, great, little, own, other, old, right, big, high, different, small, large, next, early, young, few, public, bad, same, adorable, amiable, amused, pleasing, appetizing, average, beautiful, exasperated, blushing, bored, brave, bright, dim, broad, bulky, burly, charming, graceful, cheerful, glorious, careful, grieving, handsome, lovely, lonely, lively, lucky, large, huge, salty, round, sarcastic, nervous, naughty, simple, nasty, appealing, chubby, clear, clean, lean, cloudy, clueless, clumsy, cool, creepy, crooked, boiling, cumbersome, curved, cynical, dangerous,
daring, daring,
delicious, disturbed, dreadful, dizzy, dull, drained, adorable, deceitful, dashing, decayed, deep, boastful, helpless, helpful, hungry, hollow, shallow.
Watch our part 2 of the list of adjectives. Inaanyayahan ko ang mga kabataan na gustong sumali sa libreng tutorial ng IVFC. Sali lang po kayo from Mondays to Saturdays. See you there!